In this video, we will be solving exercise 4.3, fourth question. Now, here we will be solving question number 4. Is the following situation possible? So, whatever question they have given, they are asking whether this situation is possible and can we have a valid quadratic equation from this question, from this situation is what they are asking. If so, determine their present ages. So the question is related to age of people. The sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. So there are two friends and the sum of their both their ages is 20 years is what they are saying in this first sentence. 4 years ago means before 4 years. Okay, before 4 years, the product of their ages was 48. So this situation they have given. Now let us note down this situation. We will say let age of one friend be say x years, and we will say age of you know the other friend be say y years. Okay, and then according to the question, x plus y, when we will do the sum of their ages should be, sorry, it should be 20. It should be 20 because the sum of their ages of two friends is 20 years. So this will become our first equation. Then later for we'll go to the next sentence. Now this is over, so we'll go to the next sentence. 4 years ago. 4 years ago. Okay, so 4 years ago means the first friend, the age of first friend, age age of age of the first one friend what we had taken will be x minus 4, because whatever was the age 4 years before, it will be minus 4, right? It will be reduced by 4. Then age of the other friend, age of the other friend, his age will be also reduced by 4, so y minus 4. And here according to the question again, uh, x minus 4 into y minus 4, the product of their ages, will be 48. So 4 years before, the product of their ages will be equal to 48 as per the question. Let me take this as equation 2. Now what we will do, we will change equation 1. We will change it little bit. Okay, we'll change the equation 1. So we'll take the equation. The equation is x plus y is equal to 20. And what we can do is we'll send x to the other side. So y is equal to 20 minus x. Okay. And now what we will do, I will continue it here. I will say use y is equal to 20 minus x in equation 2. In equation 2. Now we will use this equation in equation 2, and this equation is coming out of first equation. So this equation and the first equation is one and the same. We will use this equation in equation 2. So the equation 2 is x minus 4 into y minus 4 is equal to 48. This is our second equation. So instead of y we will put 20 minus x here. So x minus 4, and instead of y 20 minus x I will put. Instead of y I am writing 20 minus x because y is equal to 20 minus x is what we have taken. So minus 4 as it is equal to 48. So here x minus 4 and 20 minus 4 is the 16. So 16 minus x, I have solved this 20 and minus 4. So it's 16 minus x as it is equal to 48. Now we will, cross multiply this thing. So uh, what we'll do, we will take this x and we'll multiply with 16 minus x one time, and then we'll take minus 4 and we'll multiply 16 minus x another time is equal to 48. So this will become 16x square and this will become x square, x into minus x, and this will become minus 64 and this will become plus 4x is equal to 48. Now we will send everything to the other side, all these things. So here it will be 0 and 48 will be as it is, and minus 16x square plus x square plus 64 minus 4x. So what I did was I sent all these things all these things to the other side. So here before equal to nothing is there now, so I wrote 0 is equal to, and 48 as it is I wrote, and then because all these things are going to the right hand side, I changed the signs for all these numbers here. So plus 16x square become minus 16x square, minus x square became plus x square, and so on. And why I did this particularly is because while solving the quadratic equation, I want this x square, okay, this particular x square, which is the main quadratic equation variable of the quadratic equation, this has to be in the plus sign so that it becomes easy for solving. So I wanted to change the sign for this particular part, but I cannot change it for this one particular part. So I sent everything to the other side so that now this became plus. So that is why I have done like this. Now we will solve this further. So 0 is equal to, uh, I will write x square plus x square. Then uh, 1 minute. So here I have done a small mistake here. So x into 16 will become 16x. So this 2 will not come here, and here also this 2 will not come. Okay, let me just rub this. So here x into 16 is 16x, and the same thing is here also. I just corrected it. So I had written square here and here. So we should not write square because x into 16 is just 16x and not 16x square. I have corrected it. Now x square we will arrange it as per the squares powers. So this is x square, and minus 16x minus 4x will become minus 20x, and now these number part 48 and 64 we will add and it will become 112 plus 112. And what we will do, x square minus 20x plus 112 will show this 0 to this side so that it looks like a quadratic equation. So now this is our quadratic equation. Okay. Now what we will do, on the next page, I will just note this quadratic equation and we will find the nature of roots of this quadratic equation first. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac, and we'll check whether we are getting equal and real roots, okay, or distinct roots. Only then this situation will be possible, otherwise it will not be possible. Now, so I have noted this equation on the next page. And now we will write the values of A, B, and C. So the value of A is 1, the value of B is minus 20, and the value of C is 112. So we will find the nature of roots first. So B square minus 4AC is, you know, 1 minute. So now here we need to check the nature of roots using this formula B square minus 4AC is equal to D. So D is equal to the value of B is minus 20. So minus 20 is a square minus 4. A value is 1 and C value is 112. So D is equal to 20 into 20 is 400 and minus into minus is plus. Minus 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 into 112 is minus 448. Okay, so here now D is equal to minus 48 is what we are getting. And now this particular thing, therefore, what is happening is D is what we are getting is less than 0. And when the D is less than 0, we get no real roots. So therefore the situation is not possible. We need not go ahead and solve this equation. Here itself we will get to know what kind of answer we are getting. So here itself we can conclude the answer. We can say that since D is less than 0, the equation has no real roots. No real roots. Therefore, the given situation is not possible. So whatever the logic they had given, the situation they had given, they had asked us to find whether it is possible. So no, it is not possible. Yeah, because the value of D is less than 0. It should be either equal to 0 or greater than 0 to get real roots. So because it is less than, the D value is what we are getting is less than 0, so the situation is not possible. And this completes our answer for this question. And we have to write at the end that the given situation is not possible. So this completes our answer. So like, share, comment and subscribe the YouTube channel and visit the website for online tuition classes. Thank you very much, guys.